Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Data Engineering with Saqlain. I am Saqlain Kazi, currently working as a senior data engineer in top MNC in India. I currently hold around 4 years of experience into big data engineering projects. So topic for today's video is what are the skills required for a data engineer? I'll explain it within 4 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's start. So firstly coming to the AWS services. So as a data engineer, you need to have any of the cloud services experience like AWS, Microsoft Azure, or GCP. Then further going ahead with the programming languages. So the recent trends is suggest that Python is the most asked programming language in most of the JDs and in most of the big data projects. Python is a very good skill to have. Then further there is Apache Spark, which is nothing but a data processing tool with suppose different languages like Python, Scala, R programming, and Java. Then next it is SQL. So as a data engineer, you also need to write SQL queries in order to filter your data and create derived data sets from the source table information. Then next is Google BigQuery, which is nothing but a data warehouse service which comes under the GCP services. So generally we use it as a data warehouse in our ETL pipelines. Then next is Apache Hive, which is similar to BigQuery. It is also a data warehouse which comes under the Hadoop ecosystem, and also we need to have the skills about the Hadoop ecosystems like the hdfs, mapreduce, hive, hbase, and scoop framework. Then next is Apache Airflow. So Apache Airflow is nothing but a scheduler which we generally use to schedule our PySpark jobs, our Python jobs in our ETL pipelines. And Apache Airflow supports Python programming language. So as a data engineer, it's very important and good skill to have as Python programming language. And the final one is Databricks. So we generally use Databricks as a software as a service or platform as a service based on the requirements of the project. So what Databricks does, it allows you the flexibility of creating your own clusters. You can write your own notebooks in there for PySpark and Python code, and also you can create your jobs in order to create your ETL pipeline. So in a nutshell, these are all the skill set that are required for a data engineer. So that's it. Thank you. And also there is a good news from my end that our channel, Data Engineering with Saqlain, has reached around 52 subscribers within just 3 days. So thank you for your support to all my subscribers. And even our videos have got around 300 plus views within just 3 days. So thank you so much for your support and keep supporting me the same way. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon for the recent notifications about my recent up videos. And if you and your friends are looking for a change in data engineering role, looking for a data engineering job, preparing for data engineering interviews, then this is the right channel that will support you to achieve this. So thank you so much.